There's a reason so many people notice their legs before anything else changes. For a lot of people, it's the first place they notice strength starting to slip, even if it isn't happening there first in any strict sense. If you've felt your legs tire faster on stairs, or noticed getting up from a chair takes a little more effort than it used to, you're not imagining it, and you're far from alone. A significant number of people go through this same stage, often without anyone telling them why or what to do about it. Here's the good news right up front. This isn't something that just happens to you with no say in the matter. It's not just about walking more. Either, there's a piece of this that most people overlook entirely, and it starts with what's on your plate. So let's talk about what's actually going on, and then let's get into what helps. As we get a little older, muscle naturally becomes a bit harder for the body to maintain, and for many people, the legs are where that becomes noticeable first, simply because they carry so much of our daily effort. This is common. It's a normal part of aging, not a sign that something has gone wrong, and there's a lot within your control here. One piece people often miss is that food plays a bigger role in this than most of us realize. And to be upfront, nothing here is about a quick fix. What actually helps is steady, and it starts with what you eat. What these foods actually do. Think of it this way. Muscle is a little like a house that needs ongoing upkeep. Movement is what tells your body the upkeep is needed. But food is what supplies the materials to do the work. Without the right materials on hand, even the best intentions to stay active don't go as far as they could. So with that in mind, here are 6 foods that are commonly associated with supporting leg strength as we age. Each one plays a slightly different supportive role. The 6 foods. 1. Eggs. A simple, accessible source of protein, which many nutrition researchers associate with giving your body the raw material it needs to maintain muscle over time. 2. Greek yogurt. It offers protein in a form that's easy to digest, and some people find it gentler on the stomach earlier in the day than heavier. Meat-based options. 3. Salmon or other fatty fish. Beyond protein, fish like salmon is often discussed for its healthy fats, which some research links to supporting overall muscle and joint comfort as we age. 4. Leafy greens like spinach or kale. These are commonly associated with nutrients that support bone strength alongside muscle. And since legs depend on both working together, it's a useful pairing to have on your plate. 5. Beans and lentils. A plant-based protein option that also brings fiber along with it. A combination many people find supports steadier energy through the day. 6. Nuts like almonds or walnuts. A small, easy addition to a meal or snack, often associated with supporting overall energy and steady nourishment. The kind of small, repeatable habit that adds up more than people expect. None of these foods work like a switch. What research tends to point to is a pattern that a diet with enough of these building blocks over time is associated with better maintained strength than a diet without them. Supporting habit. One thing that tends to make all of this work better. Pairing these foods with regular movement. Even something as simple as a daily walk or standing up and sitting down a few extra times through the day. Food gives your body the material. Movement is what tells your body to use it. Together, small changes like this, kept up over months, tend to add up to something real. If this was helpful, I can put together a follow-up on simple, safe ways to build strength at home. Let me know if that's something you'd find useful. So here's where that leaves things. Your legs may be one of the first places you notice a change, but they're also one of the most responsive parts of the body when it comes to support. And food is a real, meaningful part of that support. Not a replacement for it, but a partner to it. As we said earlier, nothing here works overnight. What actually works is consistency. The same handful of supportive foods showing up on your plate regularly, week after week. That's not as flashy as fast, but it's the version that actually holds up.